Welcome back. The touch command in Linux is used to create empty files and update file timestamps. It is simple yet powerful command that can be used for various tasks. In this video, we will see on how to use the touch command and cover these options along with some tricks and tips. So this is the basic touch command syntax you can see on the screen. Now if there is no file, it will create a new empty file, otherwise it will update the timestamp. So let's see that. Now here we are in the terminal and we are going to touch the file, and you can see we are giving a new name. So the file has been created and you can see we have an empty file here. Now if you run the touch command for existing file, it is going to update the timestamp, which is a very less known feature of this command, but a very useful one. So let's try with one file. So you can see this file is created at 251. So let us run the touch command again on this file, and now it should update the timestamp. You can see by default touch updates both access and modification time, but with -a and m you can change access time and modification time separately. So let's try that. So we are in the terminal and we are going to change the access time for a1.pdf. So for that you'll have to touch with -a, and it is going to update the access time for a1.pdf. Now to see the access time, you can ls with -u. So it will show the access time of the file. And here you can see that the access time of the file is 1850. Now let us try to update the modification time of a file. For that you can run -m, and here we will do it for this file. So let's run this. Now if you ls -ltr without u, you will see the modification time for a0.csv, that is 1851. But you do it with u option, then you will see that the a0 time is unchanged. You can use -r to copy timestamps from one file to another. So let us see that. So here you can see we have a different timestamp on e8.csv and the different one on a8.pdf. So let's try to copy the timestamp from this file to this file. For that you'll have to touch with -r, and you'll have to mention the source file name and the destination one. Now if you do the ls here, you will see that the a8.csv time has been changed. To update timestamps without creating a file if it doesn't exist, you can use -c option. So let's see that. So here we are going to update for a0.csv. You can see the modification time is 1851, and after running this command it should be updated. And now you can see it is 1855. Now let us try to run the same command for a file which is not there. So I am running it for a random file, and you will be able to see that no new file is created, because that command only works for the file which is already there. You can specify the timestamp you want to set for a file using the -d option. So let us try. So again here we have a0.csv file, and let us try to change the timestamp from November 5 to January 1. For that we'll use touch -d. Here we have our date, the time, and then we are going to give our file name, that is a0.csv. So -d option, you can update the time for that file. And when you ls this file, you should see the January 1. Let us see some tricks and tips for the touch command. You can create multiple files using touch, and for that you can use wildcards. So let's see that. So here we are in the terminal, and if you want to create a file, let's say file1.txt, file2.txt, file3.txt. So you can give it file names one by one like this, and it will create 3 files. But what if you want to create 100 files like this? So for that you can use a wildcard. So here you can see we have pattern, that is regular expression you can say. So it is going to create files which starts from file 1, and it will go till file 100, and it will create all those files in one shot. And if you see all these files we have here, you can use touch to update a file's timestamp relative to the current time. So let's see that. So here we have a file that is file 100.txt. Now if you want to change the time, and you want to go 1 hour back from this time, you can use touch minus d 1 hour ago, and you'll have to give the file name, and the file timestamp will be updated. So from 1900 it will be 1801. You can use find command in the combination with touch to update timestamps of files within a directory and its subdirectories recursively. So let us go back to the folder and see the current timestamps here. So you can see we have different types of files here, like PDF, CSV, and probably we have TXT files also. And you can notice all files are created at 1352. So we just want to update the timestamps for all the TXT file. So for that you can run touch command with find. So here we will run find in the current location, and we will find all the files. The name should be all the txt files, and then we will execute our touch command to update the time. So since we are already in this directory, it is not able to find those files. So let's go one step back, and here again we will run the command, but we'll run it for the directory. So in our directory folder we have all these files, so we are running the find command for directory, and the rest of the part is same. So let's hit enter, and now we'll see the timestamps for all the txt file inside our directory. And you can see all the txt file timestamps has been updated, and rest of the timestamps are same as old. That's it for this video. Don't forget to check out my channel for more such videos. I've created multiple videos on different commands with interesting information related to those commands. Also, I create videos on administration and operations for WebLogic, etc. So you can check out my channel for all such videos as well. If you found this video helpful and unique, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon for the further notification. And don't forget to leave a comment so that I can come up with different topics for you. Thank you.